Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and opening the extension. Make sure the Retire.js icon is visible in Chrome. Once done, open DevTools with F12 and switch to the Retire.js panel because that is where scans run. Load the page you want to test, then click the Scan Page or Scan Files button to begin. You do this now, no delay, so the extension can collect library fingerprints and report findings. As it scans, watch the live progress and prepare to review vulnerable entries. Once the scan finishes, you'll see a list of libraries, their versions, and severity labels: high, medium, low, so prioritize accordingly. Use the file path and network details that Retire.js provides to locate the exact bundle or CDN script causing the issue, because precision saves time. Then decide whether to upgrade, patch, remove, or replace the dependency based on exploitability and impact. If multiple instances appear, address core shared libraries first, and make a finish by applying fixes. Update package. JSON versions, replace insecure CDN links, or remove unused libraries, and then rebuild and redeploy your app. After deployment, run Retire.js again in DevTools to confirm the vulnerabilities are gone. This verifies that the live bundle reflects your changes. If findings persist, clear browser and CDN caches, check source maps for mismatched versions, and use manual fingerprinting or local scans to validate. If nothing helps, isolate the script and test in a minimal page to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.